IPA CS2. Oke, Pluto dan Ceres sama-sama diklasifikasikan sebagai planet kerdil, tetapi keduanya memiliki lokasi dan karakteristik orbit yang berbeda. Jelaskan perbedaan lokasi wilayah orbit wilayah langsung serta sebutkan satu sisi orbit Pluto yang membedakannya dari planet besar. Jadi Pluto ini berada di orbit jadi Pluto ini berada di sabuk Kuiper, sedangkan Ceres ini berada di sabuk asteroid antara Mars dan Jupiter. Jadi untuk ciri orbit Pluto yang membedakannya yaitu Pluto memiliki orbit yang elips dan miring. Dan kalau dibandingkan dengan planet besar, kalau di planet besar dia memiliki orbit yang lebih bulat. Nomor 2, jelaskan perbedaan komet, asteroid, meteorit, dan meteor dan meteorit. Jadi yang pertama itu komet. Komet ini terdiri dari es dan debu, sedangkan asteroid ini terdiri dari batuan. Meteoroid ini terdiri dari partikel kecil. Meteor ini adalah meteoroid yang terbakar di atmosfer, sedangkan meteorit itu adalah meteoroid yang berhasil sampai ke bumi. Untuk komet itu memiliki ekor yang mengarah tapi menjauhi matahari, dan ada dua jenis komet yaitu panjang dan yang pendek. Kalau di komet pendek biasanya memiliki orbit kurang dari 200 tahun. Kalau dia yang panjang orbitnya lebih dari 200. Nomor 3, sebuah kota A berada pada bujur 90 derajat bujur timur dan B pada bujur 60 derajat bujur barat. Jika di kota A menunjukkan pukul 2 siang, itu selisih waktu antara A dan B. Jadi selisih antara kota A dan B itu sekitar 10 jam karena lokasi B itu berada di wilayah yang lebih barat, sehingga membuat kota B ini 10 jam lebih lama daripada kota A. Jadi kalau misalnya di kota A dia jam 2 siang, maka di kota B itu 10 jam lebih lama, yaitu sekitar jam 4 pagi. Nomor 4, jelaskan bagaimana kemiripan suhu sekitar 23,5 derajat dan posisi bumi saat perihal serta api yang berkontribusi pada perbedaan musim dari panjang siang malam antara belahan utara dan selatan. Jadi kemiringan suhu bumi sekitar 23,5 derajat itu menyebabkan belahan bumi utara dan selatan menerima sinar matahari dengan sudut dan lama penyinaran yang berbeda. Jadi untuk belahan yang menghadap atau mengarah ke matahari itu akan mengalami musim kemarau dan juga waktu siangnya lebih lama. Perihelion dan aphelion itu menyebabkan perihelion dan aphelion ini mempengaruhi jarak bumi dari matahari. Namun perihelion dan aphelion ini bukan sebagai penentu untuk perbedaan atau pergantian musim. Namun kemiringan sumbu bumi lah menjadi faktor utamanya. Nomor 5, bandingkan kondisi pasang purnama dan pasang perbani dari sisi posisi matahari, bumi, bulan. Jadi pasang purnama itu terjadi ketika posisi matahari, bumi, dan bulan berada pada satu hampir garis lurus yang menyebabkan gaya pasang surut yang saling tarik-menarik atau memperkuat sehingga menyebabkan pasangnya itu lebih tinggi. Sedangkan pasang perbani itu kondisi ketika matahari dan bulan itu berada pada 90 derajat yang menyebabkan atau mengurangi gaya pasang surut sehingga menyebabkan surut yang lebih rendah. Jayasrina. A school reports its enrollment as 600 students when rounded to the nearest 10. Find the range of possible actual numbers of students. So to round the 600 students to the nearest of 10, as we know that 10 is divided by 2 will be 5. So the range is to find the range between the before and then after 600. So we minus the 600 with 5, it will give 495. Now, at first, before we make the range, we need to know that the 600 is between 595 and 604. But now we want to make the range, so 600 minus 5, it will be, sorry. Okay, so 600, because this one is to 10, right? So 10 divided by 5. So we minus with this 5. So it will be 595. So x greater than or equal to 595, and then less than to 600, we add with 5. 605. So that's one the inequality. We know that x is greater than or equal to 595 and then less than to 605. Number 2, a jacket marked at $80 is on sale with 25% off. Then a seller's tax of 7% is applied to the discounted price. So at first we will count this. Yeah, 20% of 80 means that 20% times 80. So it will be 2,000 per 100. So it will be this one, and then we minus again 80 minus 20. It will be $60. Then a sales tax of 7% is applied. So 7 per 100 times 60, it will be 420 divided by 100. It will be $4.2. And then the final amount. So we will add the 60 with 4.2 or 4.20 the same. So $60 plus 4.20 or 4.2 the same. So it will give the 64.2 or $64.20. Next, number 3. A phone cost of $500 on the first day is discounted by 10%. The next week, the store applies an additional 15% discount the new price. So first is we count the 10%. The 10% of 500, it will be this 5,100 and then 50, and then we minus the 500 minus 50 is around $450. And then the next week the store applies additional, so 50% times 450 is around 450. It will be 67.50, and then we minus 450 minus 67.50. So it will be $382.50. The number 3. 450, and then 100 times 450. And then 67.50, 150, 67.50, and then A shop offers a 10 discount to everyone. Members receive a further 5% discount on the discounted price. We are basically actual price determine the total percentage discount for members. So the 10% discount means that from 100% discount you get 10% discount, and then you need to pay the 90% discount, the 90% the rest, and then members receive a further 5% discount. So 5% discount means that 5 to 100 times 90%. So it will be 500% divided by 100. It will be 4.5%. Yeah, 4.5%. And then we add, so the total percentage that we get, the 10% plus 4.5%, so it will be 14.5%. We got the discount. Okay, next, number 5. A bank offers 5% interest compounded at the end of every year. Then you'll deposit $10,000 at the beginning of the year. Calculate the amount in the bank at the end of the second year. Show the compound calculation. So 5% means 500 times $10,000. So it will be 50,000 per 100. So it will be 500. And then we add. So at the first year you will get 10,000 plus 500, so it will be 10,500. Now the question is, at the end of the second year, this is still the first year, so the second year 10,500, and then yeah, before that is the first we make this one 100%, because we get the 5% discount, 5% interest, sorry. So our total will be 100%, 105%. So divided by 100, it will be 1.05. Now, and then after that, we times this with 1.05 times 1.05. So sorry, 1.05 times 100. Oh yeah, correct, yeah. So we times this twice this, because the second year, right? So we times twice. 11,250. Iya. Oh, not 250. 25. 25. Okay. Next. Okay. Explain how two different organisms share can survive periods of water scarcity and combat the solution. Using your answer, describe the relevant structures or behaviors and why is effective in the drought environment. So, this one between the actually we must have the pictures in this.
Oh yes.
For replication. Yeah. Because different organisms show that. Okay, so how do different organisms show can survive 2 years of water scarcity and conquer the scarcity? Describe the development structures or behaviors. And what is effective? Okay, because there's a picture, as I remember, this is between cacti and kangaroo. So cacti has cacti can keep the water in their thick stem to avoid for the in their thick stem, and then they have a waxy coating to reduce the evaporation. While the kangaroo rats have the specialized they have the specialized kidney for the specialized kidney for the adaptation and specialized kidney, and then and for their behavioral adaptation like the nocturnal activity, the dysfunction to avoid the heat, and both of this adaptation is used or is suitable for the arid environment. Arid environment is like a dry environment. The second, a prolonged drought hit Afghanistan, reducing plant growth for 2 years. Explain two different pathways by which this event would lead to a decrease in the local rabbit population. So the drought reduced the plant growth, limiting the food for the rabbit. So this will lead for the starvation. Additionally, the decrease of the vegetation will increase the predation risk, and then make as the result make fewer place for the rabbit to hide, and also further this will lead to reduce or for reducing the population of the rabbit as well. Number 3, explain how ecologists could design a fair test to determine which features of the Dracula Labrador orchid attracts fungus, gnats, flies. Include the variables they would change. Okay, so the ecologists should change the feature, the one flower feature at a time. For example, like the scent, the color, and the shape, while keeping the environment stays the same. And also, they could replicas. They could make the replicas and also record the fungus gnats that are attracted. So more data, or the more they make the data or trials, it will give the result more reliable. Number 4, give one adaptation of plant and one animals for surviving low temperature. So one adaptation is protein freezing. This reduce the formation of the crystal in the cell, inside the cell, and then and allowing for surviving from low temperatures, and then and one animal adaptation also, when they have a thick fur, and then it helps them to and help them to survive from to against the cold, and also retaining their body from the heat, and also protecting them from the low temperature. Number 5, Ahmad buried banana peels in soil in a compost bin. After a few months, he could not find the peels. Yes, that happens because the banana peels has been broken down because of the microbial activity in the compost bin. And then the microorganism in the soil broke down the banana peels into nutrients, enriched compost, and then that's why, or that makes the Ahmed couldn't see the banana peels in soil after a few months. IPA JS 3, jelaskan dua dampak positif bioteknologi pada bidang pengolahan makanan dan bagaimana keduanya meningkatkan kesejahteraan masyarakat. Jadi dampak positif bioteknologi pada bidang pengolahan makanan yaitu adalah meningkatkan nilai gizi dan membuat masa penyimpanan makanan tersebut lebih lama. Jadi keduanya itu berperan dalam menyediakan makanan yang memiliki nilai yang lebih tinggi, gizi dan lebih tinggi, dan juga mengurangi makanan yang terbuang sehingga dapat meningkatkan kesejahteraan masyarakat. Bagaimana proses penggunaan organisme transgenik di pertanian? Jadi penggunaan organisme transgenik ini dapat meningkatkan hasil pertanian, seperti misalnya membuat tanaman padi tersebut bertahan lama. Nah, jadi ini dapat menguntungkan bagi si petani karena dapat meningkatkan pendapatan si petani. Namun juga menimbulkan kekhawatiran terhadap lingkungan. Karena apa? Karena dapat mengurangi keanekaragaman hayati karena penyebaran gen organisme transgenik tersebut. Jelaskan peran pupuk biologi dan agen hayati pengendali hama dalam mengurangi dampak negatif pertanian konvensional. Jadi penggunaan pupuk biologi dan agen hayati tersebut dapat mengurangi ketergantungan kita terhadap penggunaan pupuk kimia. Dan juga dapat meningkatkan kesehatan tanah maupun tanaman. Nah, dan juga penggunaan pupuk biologi dan juga agen hayati ini dapat meningkatkan hasil panen dengan memperbaiki nutrisi, dan juga mengendalikan hama karena tanaman tersebut seringkali terdapat banyak hama di dalamnya atau di sekitarnya, jadi dapat mengendalikan hama yang ada di sekitar tanaman tersebut dan juga mengurangi resiko pestisida. Fermentasi tanah memiliki sisi positif dan negatif. Dua risiko lingkungan dari limbah fermentasi itu adalah pencemaran air karena limbah cair dan juga efek emisi gas rumah kaca. Nah, karena penggunaan limbah organik tersebut. Jadi satu pengelolaan untuk meminimalkan dampaknya yaitu dengan menggunakan cara pengelolaan untuk meminimalkan dampaknya. menggunakan risiko lingkungan dari limbah fermentasi dan secara menggunakan fermentasi memiliki fermentasi pangan memiliki sisi positif dan negatif. Jelaskan bahwa risiko lingkungan. Oke, baik, mungkin seperti ini. Tapi boleh juga dengan cara misalnya fermentasi pangan. Risiko lingkungan karena secara pengelolaan ini merupakan dampaknya. Mengurangi penggunaan emisi gas rumah kaca itu juga bisa untuk mengurangi atau meminimalkan dampak emis. Lebih lanjut nomor 5, identifikasi dua variabel proses fermentasi tempe yang perlu dikontrol selama pemeraman dan jelaskan bagaimana masing-masing mempengaruhi penghasilan produk. Variabel proses fermentasi tempe. Oke, nah jadi ada dua variabel proses fermentasi tempe yang perlu dikontrol, yaitu suhu dan kelembapan. Jadi kalau suhu dia cukup, dia mampu membuat mikroba seperti rijokuci itu dapat tumbuh, dan juga dengan kelembapan yang cukup mampu membuat tempe tersebut tidak terlalu kering atau mengurangi agar tempe tersebut tidak terlalu kering, karena kalau dia terlalu kering dia rasanya kurang enak ya. Jadi kedua variabel ini mampu menghasilkan tempe yang padat, putih, dan juga berkualitas. Combine the ideas using a reason or contrast collective and experiment choice. Maya, when jogging, it was raining. Create one sentence and state whether their collective shows a reason or contrast. So the answer is Maya, when jogging, although it was raining. So the uses of although as the contrast collective shows that Maya was jogging in an unfavorable weather. You are listening to an interview about new fitness application for teens. Describe two specific listening strategies you would use to identify the main idea in one detail. So the main idea maybe this one can be very answered by the students, but I will give you an example. So identify the main idea. How to identify the main idea? So I would write or take the key phrases. So I would take the key phrases and then the repeated terms, and then also in details I would take some notes that I repeat this ya. Describe two specific listening strategies you would use to identify. Okay, to identify the main idea, I would take the key phrases and repeated terms to highlight the fitness purpose, the application purpose, and then in details I will take some notes that explain about the specific strategies that I have mentioned, and then it can help me to understand and it can help me to understand the conversation and the context. Next, plan a short diary entry about joining a new school club using guided questions. Okay, so I could make like this. For example, today I joined. For example, we can say that short okay, today I joined for example a new school club, because this one the answer is explanation. So for example, like today I joined a new school club after school in the art room. For example, when I arrived, my friends, for example Kezia and Matt, and then we learn how, for example, this is about what do you call that? Taking the camera, photography, about the photography. So, for example, like we learn how to take the good picture, for example, and then I enjoy it because I could learn something new, for example, and then however it was a bit challenging because for example, maybe there is the setting that he doesn't know, and then he can say that because I couldn't know the settings, for example, or I didn't know the settings, and then we can like this. After the activity is ended, I felt happy. I felt happy and excited because I felt happy and excited, and I wanted to join the club again. Like that. Okay, number 2 and number 4, revise. Yeah, revise this diary sentence to improve verb tense consistency and motivation. Today I go to the sports center and I will play basketball. I felt exciting and I think I play again next week. Explain the changes to make and why. So the revised answer will be, today I went to the sports center and played basketball. It felt exciting and I think I will play again next week. So the verb go and play is changed to the past tense to show the consistency and the coherence to the future intention, the future intent for the word will play. Okay, number 5. Identify and describe 3 key parts of an effective diary entry, such as greeting, body, closing. For each part, give one example sentence that uses personal language and appropriate verb tense to show feelings and time. So actually, in diary entry, we have 4 parts. So they are date, opening, greeting. So there are date, greeting, body, and closing. But there are 3 more parts. They are greeting, body, and closing. Now for the greeting, actually has the purpose to start the diary entry, and then also it can contains the writer's thoughts or maybe the writer's feeling. So for example, like, dear diary, today was amazing, for example, like that. And then for the body, it will explain about the content. Content include about the activities or event, and then include also about the feelings and also about the thoughts of the writer's thought or feeling. So for example, like, I felt happy today because I met my friends or I saw my friends, like that, because it expresses about his feelings. And then for the last is closing. This usually closing the diary entry or ends the diary entry, and then it will close by giving the writer's thought or the writer's feelings. So for example, like, thank you diary, I can't to wait for tomorrow, for example, like that.
Okay, Miss, for the special activity, Miss, for the subject for next week.
Okay, so we have 5 special activity actually, like math, just 2 and just 3. So the topic are almost the same because the title is about fraction, decimal, and percentages. So for just 2, I still limit the material. I mean the project. It's about how the students count the decimals. So example, like 2.1 times 2 equals to 4.2, for example. And then they can combine, for example, like the division, like 3 divided by 1.2, how many, for example, and then they will count it. And also the second one, the students will make the significant figures. So for example, like 0.00325, how many significant figures? So So for example, like 0.0325. Oh, miss, there are three significant figures, 3, 2, and 5. So they will mention, and then they will explain why the 0.0 is not significant. So they will explain, yeah, because it is the leading zeros, and then they are not significant because they are before the non-zero digit, for example. While the trailing zeros, it is significant because after the non-zero digit, for example. So they will explain the reason. And then for the GS3 will also about the fraction, decimal, and percentage, but mostly for the percentages in this GS3. So they will count about it's similar to the homework just now. It's about, for example, you have the saving, for example, $10,000 in a bank. So the students will count the interest, the bunga, the interest that is given by the owner of the bank, for example, BCA, for example, and then they will count. So if the 5% interest is given from the owner of the bank or from the bank, how much you will get, for example. So they will count it, but the teacher will provide the questions for the students. That's for the HS. And also for this JS2 and JS3, for IPA JS2, IPA ini tentang judulnya itu tentang tata surya. Jadi nanti murid seperti memperagakan, nanti mereka akan dipilih ada 3 grup, ada misalnya 3 grup itu terdiri dari satu grup masing-masing 3 orang karena JS2 9 orang kan. Jadi tujuan apa? Mereka akan melakukan apa namanya? Pertama mereka akan menyebutkan apa saja tata surya. Kemudian tata surya itu kan terdiri dari 8 planet, terus ada lagi matahari, ada lagi bumi, bulan. Kemudian setelah itu mereka juga menjelaskan tentang rotasi bumi, tentang juga misalnya revolusi bumi. Kemudian dampak rotasi dan revolusi, misalnya rotasi bumi menyebabkan apa gitu. Dan siang malam misalnya, revolusi itu menyebabkan apa, misalnya menyebabkan penambahan hari menjadi 366 hari setiap 4 tahun. Jadi mereka menjelaskan itu, dan juga mereka memperagakan di kelas nih gitu tentang pengaruh revolusi atau rotasi bumi gitu. Dan juga memperagakan apa namanya, posisi, misalnya bagaimana saat gerhana terjadi, di mana posisi bulan, di mana posisi bumi, di mana posisi matahari, misalnya seperti itu. Jadi mungkin lebih gampang bagi mereka karena kemarin kita juga sudah memperagakan di kelas ini waktu praktikum gitu ya. For English, the students will do the mission. The mission is around consists of 4 missions. The first is the students will act, and then also they will do it in a group. So maybe for example like this, the first students like playing guitar, and then the second student will guess, oh, are you playing guitar? And then he will answer like, yes, I am playing guitar, for example. So that's the first, and then the second mission, there will be like the detective. So the detective like what are you, for example, another hobbies maybe, because our topic is about hobbies, and then what is your hobbies? For example, maybe another hobby besides playing guitar, maybe like I like drawing. And then the third mission is like making a talk show. Talk show is like the students will ask, okay, welcome to our talk show, for example. So here we have the guest, the special guest, and then like interview the guest. So the students will ask the guest, for example, so what is your favorite hobby? Why do you like the hobby, for example? So like asking, and then there is like feedback, asking and answering like that. And then the last one like giving appreciation. Oh, great job, for example, like that. And then the teacher will ask the students to make the conclusion. Maybe like select the students to make the conclusion of the special activity. And then the last one, what's the last one? English already, math, IPA, science. Okay, the last one is science. Our topic is about ecology. So the students will make the teacher will provide the cards. The cards is about the food chain and also food web. As we know that food web consists of many food chains. So the students will identify which one is the producer first. Which one is the producer, herbivore, carnivore or the consumer, or maybe the predator. And also I will add later the composer. The composer is like the breaking down the dead body or the organic materials back into the soil, become the nutrients like this. So the students will identify which one is the producer. So the teacher will provide some pictures. Maybe the students will choose, oh, this one is the producer, and then the student will choose again which one is the consumer one, consumer two, like that. And then the high consumer, and then the last one is the composer. And then they will explain what is the function as the producer, the consumer one, or consumer two, and then the composer, like that, miss.
Okay, Miss, how about the materials?
For the
Special activity.
For the science, yeah, just now I have mentioned that the teacher will print out print out the cards. So for example, like the food web. So food web consists of, for example, the producer grass. So the teacher will print out the grass. The teacher will print out the herbivore like the giraffe, like impala, like that.